Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to remove pop-up ads on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone and tap on Open. Now just enter your lock screen PIN. Now just tap on Allow, then tap on Sign Up. From here, just enter your email address. Now once you enter your Gmail address, just enter your password. Now once you enter your password, just tap on Sign Up. Now just tap on Save. After that, just scroll down. Now in this section, just tap and hold on this text and select Copy. After that, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Then go to Connections and tap on More Connection Settings. Now just tap on Private DNS. Now in this section, just paste the copied text in here. Then select Save. Now once you do that, all the pop-up ads on your smartphone will be removed. But if this did not work on your smartphone, just open Settings, then tap on your Samsung account. Then go to Security and Privacy and make sure you disable Get News and Special Offers, select Stop, and disable Improve Personalized Advertising. Then select Turn Off. After that, just go back and go to Security and Privacy. And from here, just tap on Internet Privacy Protection and make sure you enable Block Pop-ups. After that, just go to your home screen and open the Chrome web browser app. Now just tap on the three dots and go to Settings. Now just tap on Site Settings and tap on Pop-ups and Redirects. And make sure you disable Pop-ups and Redirects. After that, just go back and tap on Intrusive Ads. And make sure you disable Intrusive Ads. And this is how you can remove pop-up ads on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.